Hey everyone, we're looking at GLD, and we saw gold try to make a little bit of a gasp early in the morning. They tried to kind of fake it out a little bit, trying to show that there was going to be some big move. And you could just, I just felt that you could, it was so obvious as they started to open up a little bit lower, and then you started seeing them weakening up a little bit. You could see kind of a wider trading range here, kind of a little indecision. And you got to keep in mind, too, we talked about this downward trend angle here, this kind of triangle formation. We have to be really careful here because this could start to break and make a new low, and that would make perfect sense as this is a longer three wave, and your four wave correction, which is a correction wave, is usually a lot of times primarily triangle formations, and that's what we're seeing. So we could see that final low. That is certainly possible. So I started seeing it come in here, and we've had a really nice run because we timed it pretty well to right down around here when we entered. And then another one right here. So that was our next entry. So we did caught them at both lows. So I just thought that this made sense to kind of exit here with all of our positions. So we have three other positions that haven't, one that was, two that were down, no, three that are down, but they're starting to really kind of improve a little bit. Or RBY, I just felt is I think it's just overstated and little over dramatic. Harmony did rather well and is starting to grind back up to 71, so it's only off about 7 cents. And then REE, which is just only off by 7 cents again. So we're just going to kind of see if this pulls back up into the 106, 107 level, or if it's ready to really make that move higher. I think it pulls back at least into the midpoint around this 108 level as it starts to weaken a little.